Hello friends! Welcome to my kitchen. Let's start by boiling some water in a pan. Add a teaspoon of salt and give it a good mix. Once it's boiling, toss in 8 ounces or 250 grams of penne rigate pasta and cook until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, let's whip up a flavorful meat sauce. Finely chop 1 onion. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Add some olive oil into the frying pan. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Then fry the onion in it for about 5 minutes until it's nice and soft. Then, grate in 1 clove of garlic. Add it to the onions. Next, finely chop 7 ounces or 200 grams of champignons. Then, add 14 ounces or 400 grams of minced meat, a mix of beef and pork. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and give it a good mix. Simmer the minced meat with mushrooms and onions over medium heat for 5 minutes. Finely chop 1 tomato. Add it to the minced meat with vegetables. And add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Give it a good mix. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and set it aside. Drizzle some olive oil into a baking dish. Start with a layer of pasta. Next comes a layer of seasoned minced meat. Repeat these layers twice. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. Then add 4 ounces or 110 grams of Greek yogurt and 2 teaspoons of Provençal herbs. Give it all a good mix. Pour this creamy mixture over the casserole. Next up, we'll grate 7 ounces or 200 grams of soft cheese. Top the casserole with soft cheese. Then grate 1 ounce or 30 grams of Parmesan cheese. Also add it to the top of casserole. Pop it into the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. While our casserole bakes, let's whip up a quick salad. Finely chop 1/2 of Chinese cabbage. One cucumber. One green bell pepper. One-half of red onion. Four ounces or 115 grams of canned corn, and 4 ounces or 115 grams of canned green peas. Now let's make the dressing for our salad. Mix together 4 ounces or 110 grams of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good stir. Pour this dressing over the salad and mix it well. And there you have it. Our pasta casserole is ready to be devoured. Let's dive in and give it a try. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!